there anything about like their
AI.
Case is a puzzle box derived from the same ideas behind Escape the Room puzzles. And we're using it as part of a pilot program to try to think about how do we teach leadership, how do we teach communication and teamwork for children in a way that's fun and exciting. I'm Michael Sclafani, I'm Dean of the 8th grade, and I teach history in the middle school.
The games have a digital application that serves as a guide. It's an interface that provides content and allows for input, but we emphasize pretty strongly the value of tactile challenges. Give people a chance to put their hands on some puzzle pieces and figure out how to solve problems in working very closely together. My name is Brad Albright, and I'm the managing partner of Vitality Teaming, which is a recently formed organization to emphasize the games that we develop specifically for training purposes. We started working with Riverdale, and Mike Sclafani in particular, who brought a group of students to visit us at our New York location.
We've often talked about empathy and asked, how do you teach empathy? Well, I think of that in terms of ethics and moral dilemmas. And I imagine a class that works on all of these skills through communication and through games, because I think with a very busy academic schedule, kids don't need more classes, but they do need more time during the day where they see challenge and adversity as a fun adventure rather than as something to be fearful of. I think our long-term goals are to create a course that will, based on sort of teaching leadership and teamwork skills, and have that be a focal point of the 8th grade experience. When we talk about leading, we're defining that really broadly, not the traditional, I'm the person who makes the decisions or speaks a lot, but oftentimes leading is about being the person who double checks what people do, or being the person who knows when it's time to step away from a project and let somebody else in, you know, when to be quiet, when to be thoughtful, and how to set that tone for a group. So one of my hopes that comes out of this is that kids learn there's all sorts of personalities that can be leaders, and whether or not you're good at it has to do with realizing where your strengths and weaknesses are and playing into that role.